Alright. So this is a really old phone that my grandmother gave to me when she upgraded to her new phone. But anyway, yeah, it's just a really old phone. It does currently work, but, you know, I just want to fuck with it. So, yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Alright, let's go. So, it's currently fully working, right? Oops, I took off back panels. That's the case, and this is the back panel. Man, remember when phones had removable back glass? I don't. I'm too young for that. Alright, so there's that. The battery. And then the micro SD would go in there, and then that's where the SIM card would go. Right. But that is where the removability without anything ends. So now I have this amazing tool set by iFixit. Definitely go check it out. Not sponsored or anything. God, I wish I was sponsored by iFixit. iFixit, sponsor me, please. But they make, yeah, it's just a really good quality stuff. You've probably seen me use it in a couple of other videos. Anyway, so I'm literally just gonna take it apart. I don't know what I'm gonna find, but I'm sure I'll find something. Okay, probably need this one. Okay. So, I've never actually taken apart this phone before. I've taken apart a couple of other phones as well as the PS4 that actually is doing really well right now, which is kind of insane. I think it's sitting at like 47 views or something right now, which is insane. There's going to be a lot of content coming. I have a couple of days off, so I'm going to be filming a lot. This is the first video. It'll take me a while to probably get them all out, but I actually really want to try and get out a long form video every day of the week this week. I don't really know how that's gonna go or if I'm gonna be able to do it, but I can try. I've been really busy lately. Jesus. Okay. I really hope we didn't lose any screws there. Anyway. Ooh, okay. See that? Sorry about that. You might not have been able to see a little bit of that. Ooh, okay. Yeah, this is the that I like to see. Okay, so now that we're in, we can see all this cool stuff. What do we want to do? I kind of just want to take everything. Okay, so the motherboard just comes right out there. Alright. I'm completely okay with that. Okay. Oh, right, okay, so there's some stuff we have to unplug first, obviously. Okay, so let's just do that. So, yeah. So now we have this, which is the motherboard. The micro USB port. Micro USB. Okay, so camera is there. Looks to me that we can plug that. Okay. How do we unplug it? Actually, I'm not going to unplug it because I'll probably manage to break it. Okay, so motherboard there. And then we have all of these, which, what can we take out? I have no idea what this is, but I'm sure it serves perfect. I can talk. Excuse me. Okay. I really don't want to break this. Okay, God, this light makes it difficult. So nobody ever. It's just because this light shines down and makes a shadow, you know. Okay. What is under there, though? Oh, nothing. Okay. That does basically nothing, so I can just plug that right back in. Okay, we need, we just have to pop out the screen on this side. Can we do that? Here, okay, let's just take this. Actually, maybe we should put the phone back together and then pop it out, just to give it a little bit of extra structural integrity. That seems like a good idea. Okay, so next thing to put in is this. Yeah, okay. Let's see that. Pop that into place. We should probably put that back in. Is there anything plugged into that? Okay. So, yeah, okay. So yeah, let's just snap that back into place. Perfect. Okay, that's in. This goes in here, like that. Perfect. Okay, and then this into here, like that. Okay, wait, sorry, 1 second. Technical difficulties. There we go, okay. Okay, got that. Then we have to put this back into place. It doesn't look to be. Damn it. Okay, I don't think there's a way to that. Damn. It'll be fucking fucker. Okay. Alright, so that's all back in. Now, this goes on, right? Yeah, okay. So that snaps back on. Just get that snapped on, perfect. Alright, here we go. Then we can screw those screws back in. But we're not even close to done, men. We must pop off the front glass, the LCD display, to see what is underneath there that I could not get at because I want to. I'm gonna have to take off the front glass. Now, I know how to do it. Y'all remember last time I tried to do that. Did not go well, so yeah. We're gonna try and do that again, but better. I hope with the stuff that I've learned, I will be less of an idiot and more smart with my decisions. And then maybe after that, it'll still work. Alright, so there, that's all on. Actually, why don't we just power this on and see if everything still works? I doubt it will, but we can try. It's probably dead. I'll need a USB charger. Okay, 1 second, motherfuckers. Hold on. Hold your damn horses. I'll find. Oh, yes. Okay, perfect. That. Okay. Plug it in. Does she turn on? Does she turn on? Does she turn on? Oh my god. Oh my god, it still works. Holy shit. Oh my god. Oh my god, it still works. Ha. Holy shit. Okay. Alright. Well, that's good news. Actually, we should unplug that because I want to take off its face. I'm violent today. But holy shit, it actually still works. That is insane. That is absolutely fucking insane. I am so happy about that. So, holy shit. Okay, but now what we're gonna do is take off the top panel, which will probably take a little bit of finessing and a little bit of luck and a little bit of fuck yous and anger issue management. But hopefully it will come off without a massive hassle. Yes, this is okay. Alright, so we're gonna start. I don't have like one of those heating pads, so I don't know exactly how well this is gonna go, but let's see how it works. Just Jesus, okay. This is gonna be a little bit more difficult than previously anticipated. Shit, okay. This isn't gonna work. What we are gonna need is this. Okay, why don't we try? Yes, okay. So, sorry, you guys aren't gonna be able to see this. Shit. Okay. Yeah, sorry, my lights are on. Okay, so reveal yourself to me. Yes. No shit. Fuck. Okay. Yes. No. Fuck. Okay. I don't really want to use that. Probably be fine. Oh, perfect. There's a crack right there. Yes. That gives me an in. Let's go. Okay. Yes. 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 Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Yes, that's an in. That's what I call an in. Hell yeah. Okay. Got it. Fuck. Okay. Okay, so we got that in there. Okay, so there's probably some adhesive in there. I can hear it kind of separating, but I have no other way of getting it separated. So this is I don't want to break this thing. I really don't want to break this thing. I think I should just leave it here. I really don't want to break this phone, so I think I'm just gonna leave it there. I'm sorry, guys. I know. Destruction and mayhem is amazing, but I really don't want it to break, so let's just make sure it works, and then I have to see you guys later, but I really hope it still works. Does it still work? Yes! Let's f***ing go. I am the f***ing greatest. Holy f***. I am so f***ing good. I am the best in the f***ing world. Because I can take things apart without them breaking. Ha. Sorry. Okay, so it still works. Everything still works. It's perfectly fine. That is amazing. I am so happy. Alright. That makes me so happy. That makes me so happy that it still works. Because that means that I can still use it, which I don't use it. But if I ever want to use it, it means that I still can. Now, all we have to do is put this stuff away. Okay, that was really fun. I really enjoyed that. I am so happy it still works. I was kind of doubting that it would, but it still does, so that's amazing. Yeah. Alright, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And I will see you guys in the next video, which I will promise to upload soon. Alright.